Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix brighter short game connection problem. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first go to the Windows search and just type here the proxy settings and it will appear on the top. So open up the proxy settings and here just scroll down, you'll see the manual proxy setup. So just turn it off, make sure it is turn it off, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. If you are using, then just turn it off, then launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just go to your Windows search, type here ncpa.cpl. Now this control panel setting appear on the top, so open up this setting. Here simply look for your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so make a right click on your connection and just go to its properties. Now here in the property, just scroll down, you'll see the Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck this box, make sure you uncheck this box, then just highlight Internet Protocol version 4. Then just go to its properties, then just click on the use the following DNS addresses, and here in the preferred DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate type 1.0.0.1. After that click on the OK. Now this is the best Cloudflare DNS server. Launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just highlight this again, then just go to its properties, then completely close the game, and here in the preferred DNS type the 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate type 8.8.4.4. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK. This will definitely fix your problem. Click on the OK, click on the close. Now launch the game. This will definitely fix your problem. Simply, if your problem is not fixed, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope this will fix your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video. And bye bye and take care.